Hey guys, what's up? We are going to be taking a look at Windows Defender and how to initiate a scan. So, if you just hit the Windows key and just type in Windows Security, it looks like my virus and threat protection is turned off, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Usually, usually it's on. Okay. And then we want to go to virus and threat protection. And then you can do a quick scan, or you can choose some different options. You can do a full scan. This is going to take longer. Custom scan, you can choose files, locations, and then it looks like there's an offline scan. But just for this video, I'm going to do a quick scan, and then you can see the protection history. I can see here that on this date, I guess I allowed a potentially unwanted app. And I guess I was downloading some malware, testing some stuff. So we'll just go back there. You can see allowed threats, and I'm just going to not allow them. And then quick scan. Let's go back here, and we'll just do a quick scan. Let's get rid of malware bytes because I already did a video on that. Those videos are in the playlist called Antivirus Solutions. Couple videos already in there: how to use Malwarebytes, free antivirus, how to use Malwarebytes AW Cleaner, which is really good for pops potentially unwanted programs, and how to use the ESET online scanner. So that I allowed these, I guess as I allowed these threats in, now I have threats on the computer, it looks like, from the Microsoft Defender. Now, to see if these are actually on this system, I'm going to run Malwarebytes to check. And if Malwarebytes finds something, then I could just get rid of them with that, or you can start, or what you can do is start actions here, which will quarantine. You can remove it, or you can allow on device, and you can also see details. But that I just so within Defender, I have these two pieces of malware that were quarantined, and then so they were on the system, but they were quarantined, and then I allowed them, so now they're back on my system, and then now I could quarantine it again. I could have Windows Defender remove it, or I can allow it on the device, and I can choose both of these and then start actions. But I just want to see if Malwarebytes will find it. Usually when it's scanning file system is when they'll pop up because they're somewhere in the file system, but we'll just see real fast. So these were allowed today, but I guess they're from a year ago. So okay. So yeah, we'll go ahead and remove them. You can go and manage settings, all of them, everything's turned on. You can turn. So this was in 4/28/2022. Yeah, I can see that these are all old things, but that is how you use Windows Defender.